Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Guardian Life app for benefit verification, complete guide step by step clearly. To download the Guardian Life app for benefit verification, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Guardian Life. Tap the search icon to begin the search. Locate the Guardian Life app in the search results. Ensure it is the official app by confirming the developer name. Tap on the app icon to open the app details page. Review the app information and user ratings. If everything looks good, tap the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, find the Guardian Life app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap the app icon to open it. If prompted, grant the necessary permissions for the app to function properly. You may need to log in using your Guardian Life account credentials. If you don't have an account, look for the option to register. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Benefit Verification section. You're now ready to verify your benefits using the Guardian Life app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.